Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to get a transfer pin in the Spectrum mobile app port out tutorial. To port your phone number out from Spectrum Mobile to a new carrier, you must obtain a 6-digit network transfer pin, also called a port out pin. This code acts as a security measure required by the FCC to prevent unauthorized line transfers. You can generate this pin immediately through the official MySpectrum mobile app or online web dashboard. How to get a transfer pin in the Spectrum mobile app. Open the My Spectrum app and sign in with your primary account credentials. Now tap the services icon located in the bottom navigation menu. And under the services list, choose the mobile tab. Now tap on the specific phone number you plan to port out and scroll down to the bottom of the device management page and tap Get Transfer PIN. Now complete the security prompt. Spectrum will text a 6-digit verification code to your device, and once verified, your unique account transfer PIN will display on the screen. Now, where to find your account number? Your new carrier will also require your Spectrum account number. You cannot view your full mobile account number on the main dashboard screen, but you can find it by doing the following. Go to the Billing tab in the app and tap on Statements and select View Latest Statement. Now look at the top right corner of the PDF statement to find your official account number. Alternative, get your PIN via the website. Go to the Spectrum sign-in page and log in and navigate to the services and click on mobile. Now select the active phone line you want to move and scroll down and click Manage Account Transfer PIN. Note, do not cancel your Spectrum mobile service before the transfer is finished. Your account must remain active during the entire porting window, or your old number will be permanently released and lost. Once your new carrier successfully completes the port, your Spectrum line will deactivate automatically. If you run into any security lock errors or your account has a port freeze block on it, you must call the Spectrum porting department directly at 1-833-224-6603 to have a representative manually generate the PIN for you. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.